Welcome student. Today the topic is application of applet and thread and util classes all together. In a example, here I am showing an example of clock class and I am implementing a clock, digital clock. First of all I am showing the output, then you can understand what is happening. Okay. So this is the output. ये आपका आज का डेट प्रिंट हो रहा है, ठीक है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट यूजिंग एप्लेट ये जो डेट प्रिंट हो रहा है, ये जो वैल्यू आ रहा है, ये वी आर टेकिंग दिस वैल्यू यूजिंग डेट क्लास which is under util package, and this boxes based on graphics class rectangle which is coming from AWT upon applet. Okay, and this date changes 1 second after another. So here we are using sleep method of thread class. Okay, we are writing just thread dot sleep within bracket 1000 millisecond, so it will changes after 1 second. Okay, now I am showing the full example, full code. Here I am taking three packages: AWT for graphics class, for display purpose, util for date purpose, and applet for window purpose. Okay, and since we cannot write extends more than one classes here, so we are writing extends applet and implements runnable, because runnable interface just equivalent to thread, so we can use this interface, and there is no interface equivalent to applet, so I am writing applet, because we cannot write extends applet comma thread, it is not permitted using two classes beside extends keyword. So we extends only one class, but we can implement more than one interfaces, so we can use here runnable comma so many interfaces like this. So here extends applet implements runnable. Using this runnable we can use this thread class, and we can override the public void run method. Using string, we have taken a variable or object s where we store the date and time, and we are using init method which is one of the functions of applet, and using this we are creating the thread object t, and we call t.start. Okay, when we call t.start, it automatically invokes public void run, and using this public void run, since we are showing the date continuously, so we must use a infinite loop. Either we use for within bracket 2 semicolon like my previous program, or we can use while within bracket true, then it will be a infinite loop. And using this infinite loop we are calling try catch, since we are knowing it is a dynamic environment, and within try we call paint method, and we call t.sleep 1000. When we call paint method, our call coming to this paint. Okay, and it within this paint using graphics class we can show the date and time. First of all we take date d equal to new date. So date is the class under util package. So when we call new date using constructor, all the informations based on current system date fetched by d object. So system date का जो जो information से like hour, time, minute, second, weekdays, every information assigned to d object. If we call d.toString, all the informations converted to string form using toString method and store into s. Now we can use s, because s के अंदर आपका पूरा डेट का इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर हो चुका है. We set the font, we set new font, font is the class, we create an object. Using new font we give the style Arial. Here we are showing font.bold plus font.italic, 2 appearance आपका आएगा, and 30 is the size. If you use only one, then don't need to write like this. Okay, using plus, you use AND operator, so both the appearance comes with this size. We set the font, we set the color green, we fill rect. Using fill rect, we draw a rectangle where 10 and 10 is the starting x and y coordinates, 460 is the length, 150 is the height. Using this boundary 460 and 150, we have to display our date. Okay, we change the color red, so आपका जो for color आएगा वो red color का आएगा. Then we print today's date is like this, and this is the message. ये मैसेज आपका प्रिंट होगा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 50x and 50y coordinate पर using drawstring, because using drawstring we can print some message at a proper specific xy locations. उसके बाद में we again use drawstring, and using drawstring we print s मतलब the information of date and time. Here 50 x कोऑर्डिनेट 50 y कोऑर्डिनेट, उसके बगल पे आपका जैसे 50 x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड 80 y कोऑर्डिनेट पे आपका डेट प्रिंट होगा. एंड व्हेन दिस टोटल पेंट मेथड एग्जीक्यूट, देन वी यूज t डॉट स्लीप, मतलब एक सेकेंड के गैप पे अगेन वी कॉल रिपेंट. सो आपका जो डेट का जो सेकेंड का जो वैल्यूज है वो एक सेकेंड interval, it will be changed, it will be affected. And repaint and t dot sleep, only these two calling using infinite loop. तो repaint में आपका ये वाला इंफॉर्मेशन उठेगा, स्टोर होगा और फॉन्ट की हिसाब से लोकेशन के हिसाब से प्रिंट होगा. आफ्टर दैट वी कॉल थ्रेड डॉट स्लीप, दैट मीन्स टाइम चेंजेस टू 1 सेकेंड, एंड अगेन कॉल रिपेंट. अगेन आपका डेट उठेगा, प्रिंट होगा, अगेन वी कॉल थ्रेड डॉट स्लीप. सो ऐसे डेट प्रिंट होता रहेगा और एक सेकेंड के इंटरवल ऐसे डेट प्रिंट होता 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 करके आपका पूरा जो टाइम है एग्जीक्यूट होगा इनफाइनाइट लूप पे. ठीक है. सो सिंस वी हैव द 1 सेकेंड इंटरवल, एक सेकेंड के बाद ही आपका टाइम चेंज होता है, सो यू हैव टू राइट टी डॉट स्लीप 1000. तो क्या होगा, आपका एक पूरा डेट एक सेकेंड के बाद कॉल होगा और प्रिंट होगा, एक सेकेंड के बाद कॉल होगा और प्रिंट होगा. So this is one of the most biggest example where I can show you how to print date and time using applet and thread. If we use it, then what happen, you can use this experiment in such type of example like online exam where you use the timer. Okay, and using online exam, since we have to use the timer, so we can use this example very much properly. So please watch it, share it, and use in your PC, and you can explore more informations through it. You can do an experiment based on this program, and I think you can get more features. Okay, so please watch and share and give me the feedback. Thank you, my dear student.